You have met them 3 days ago and now you are afraid of losing them. What? Yes. Welcome to Ishe Ke Kisse, and today we are going to talk about anxious attachment. धूम किस किसने देखी है? I hope सबने देखी होगी. So we all remember the character Ali, जो हर किसी के साथ अपनी life ऐसे imagine कर लेता था with the girl, having kids, running on the beach. Yes, I'm talking about that Ali. So people with anxious attachment actually becomes Ali in their life, and who knows it better than me, because I am the female version of Ali. I'm telling you, it's like one good conversation and I'm hooked to the person, and I'm like, dude, I cannot live without you. I cannot imagine my life without you. We have stopped doing it now, like still work in progress, but yeah, we have become a lot better than what we were in the past, because now we understand that it's not love, it's anxious attachment. In anxious attachment, basically you overthink everything. You constantly wait for their reply. If the reply doesn't come for like 10 minutes and you are all anxious, their mood decides your mood, their behavior decides how you feel about yourself. You somehow need constant reassurance. I mean, and it's not because you're needy, it's because along the way love actually started feeling like inconsistent. That's why this happens. You have to understand this. This didn't start with your partner. It started way back when you were a child, and people who were in charge of making you comfortable or feel safe basically were unpredictable. कभी बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा होंगे, कभी बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दिखाएंगे. I mean, their mood was constantly shifting and changing throughout the day, and it made you realize that love is not consistent and you have to hold on tight, and otherwise you're gonna lose it, and that love is not reliable. The reason might be different for all of us. Some of us have seen divorces, some of our parents were together but constantly fighting throughout their life, or maybe a loss of a parent and the another one had to fulfill both the shoes basically. What we learned was that our nervous system was always on high alert. Like our body was never able to relax. We used to predict signs and we used to predict all the situations, and we never learned basically how to be relaxed in love. And now when we are adult, we are still doing it, not just because there's something wrong with us, only because our nervous system is still running on those old programs. I'm just here to tell you that it's not something who you are, it's not your personality, it's just a pattern that we learned very early in our childhood, and patterns can always be broken. I hope someday you actually break out of this pattern and be so loved unconditionally without any expectation that you can finally relax on your own.